right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, we got, this is supposed to be a Pingo de Mal. I got it from somebody on eBay long before I knew that it was dangerous to buy from eBay. This is a variety, it's a Portuguese variety. I've only ever tasted one fig from it because it was not very generous in producing, because I guess it was just too young. And this year, it's definitely given me a bunch of figs. We're gonna try this one. It seems to be the most ripe. And let's see what else we got here. We got some Mary Lane. Bunch of Mary Lane. This one's already starting to crack. But I don't know, this variety, I don't feel it getting very soft. I think it might need some more time. Let's pick one, what the hell. Well, didn't seem, oh yeah, we got some latex. A little bit of latex. All right, what else we got here? We got a bunch of Niagara Black. This has been one fantastic fig. Absolutely delicious. Let's grab one from here. This one is not too bad. No latex. A good sign for you to know if you've picked your fig at the right time is no latex. If you see latex, it usually means you've picked it way too early. Here a Malta Black. That's a great fig. What else do we got here? We got a lot of Atrianos. This year they're starting to crack. Look at that, just a little too much cracking. I've never had Atriano do this before, so I don't know what's going on with Atriano. And here is something that I have been waiting for a very long time. I'll let you get a look at that. So this is the beautiful Italian 258 or i258, and I'm gonna pick that. We did get a little bit of latex, so I know that it's definitely too early, but hey, this fig has got me too excited. Got some brown turkeys ripening down there. This brown turkey is a delicious brown turkey. Okay, we got some Cyprus Honeys. Let me see what's going on there. All right, we got our Cyprus Honey. Let's see what else is going on here. Some Lebanese Biscanta Purple. That one needs another day. And here's a fig that I'm very excited about. It's kind of hard to see, but it's down there. Still needs a little bit. You can see the one on the left is the ripe one, and this is Bardasot Blanca Negra. All right, so we got us a bunch of figs today, and we do got some new ones, okay, that we are going to try out. I'm very excited about this one, i258. Let's start off with some ones that we've tried before. I'm not going to weigh these ones because we tried them before, so I'll just cut right into this. Here is, we're going to do a comparison here. between this one and this one. All right, I'm not sure now which one is Malta Black and which one is Salziel. I think this one is Salziel. I think this one. All right, let's try this. Try that. And we'll compare it. It's actually a good one. And this is Malta Black. All right, and let's hit another one that we've tried before. Actually, leave this. Okay, this is a new one. There's some other ones on the tree that are a little bit bigger. This is the first one this year. I got one a couple of years back. Last year I didn't. I know the tree is a bit young. I got this from Portugal. It's called Abra Preta. I have seen some other Abra Preta, and they look totally different than this one. So I don't know what the deal is, but let me see what the wife thinks before I say anything. That's a very good fig.
That's a good one. That's really good.
That's a really good fig. Yeah, I didn't want to say anything. I wanted to hear what you would say.
That's actually really good. What's it called again? The Portuguese.
Abra Preta. That's what I got. So we're gonna go next to this Mary Lane. It kind of cracked while I was pulling it off the tree. It cracked. It actually wasn't cracked before. So that's supposed to be like a really intense honey fig. I'm gonna give that a try. It's pretty good. You get the figgy flavor in the end, which is really good. It kind of starts out a little bit bland, but then you get that figgy flavor. Let me see what you think. You may like that. I think you like the figgy flavor a lot. In the end, right? It kicks in the end. In the beginning, it's kind of like, what? And then, all right.
Not bad.
Here's one of my favorite ones. Kind of one you can always count on. This is the Cyprus fig. Okay. And a little bit different than some of the other cypresses. They're more yellow usually. This one has a little bit of red. It's kind of strange, this tree. You get different figs all the time, but the taste is pretty consistent. Usually like a caramel flavor, and then you get that intense figgy flavor as well. Oh my God. That's the one. Can't go wrong with that one. That is really good. Yeah, that's really good.
It's really, really good.
Yeah, we're starting to get the really good figs now coming out. All right, Niagara Black. Tried it before. This one might be a little ripe. But you know what? Even when it's ripe, this fig is... Even when it isn't too ripe, this fig is amazing. It's good. It's good. Amazing. But after that Cyprus Honey, wow. I think that Cyprus Honey kind of took the cake on that intense flavor. What do you think, eh? All right.
Actually really good too.
It's actually really good.
With the one before, it's just like, oh
wow.
my God. Yeah.
All right. This is the fig that I've been waiting for. My i258. Look at the size of this thing. Let's weigh this. This one definitely needs to be weighed. Wow. 71 grams. Not only is this a premium fig, not only does it not take as long as some of the other premium figs to ripen, but you're getting 70 grams. Actually, it's settled down to 70 grams. This is the first one for me. And actually, I know somebody in my area. Look at, oh my God, look at the fig syrup inside this.
What is this? I've never seen
this i258.
I've never seen that.
Never, usually there's like a drop of fig honey coming out of the eye. But I probably didn't wait long enough.
Wow.
But let me try that. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is like, it tastes like a caprified fig. Mmm. Oh my God, try that. You gotta try that.
Oh my gosh.
That's the one I've been waiting for. Man.
Wow, this is crazy.
How's that? That's crazy. That is crazy. There's a few more of those. This was just the first one. Really usually you get, like I said, usually you get the honey out of the eye.
Oh, wow, it's amazing.
All right, a couple of Italian honeys left that we're going to enjoy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.